Sales commission. Sales commission is one of the most widely used compensation concepts in business, yet is often misunderstood. In this video, we will break down sales commission step by step using clear explanations, simple examples, and practical thinking frameworks. By the end, you will understand how commission structures work, but why companies use them and how to evaluate them logically. Most people hear the term sales commission early in business, freelancing, or studies, but few truly understand how it works behind the scenes. That confusion leads to wrong expectations, bad pricing decisions, and misaligned incentives. Sales commission is a variable payment given when a specific sales related action happens, such as closing a deal or reaching a target. Unlike a fixed salary, commission changes based on performance. The system is common because it links effort with outcome. The key idea is simple: results trigger payment, not just time spent. Commission exists to influence behavior. When rewards depend on results, people naturally focus on outcomes that matter to the business. For organizations, it also helps manage risk. Fixed costs stay controlled while incentives scale with performance. This alignment is why commission is common across industries. A salary provides predictability. Commission introduces variability. Many roles combine the two to balance stability and motivation. Understanding this difference helps you evaluate job offers, freelance contracts, or compensation plans without emotional bias. Percentage based commission scales with deal size. Affiliate commission pays the same per sale. Tiered structures change rates after certain thresholds. Each structure influences behavior differently. There's no universal based only what fits a specific context. Why would a company avoid percentage based commission? We will answer it shortly. In a percentage model, commission is calculated by applying a rate to a sale value. The math is simple, but the impact is behavioral. Larger deals become more attractive. This structure works well when deal sizes vary significantly. Pause and think. Does this model reward volume or value more? Affiliate commission rewards consistency. Each completed sale earns the same amount, regardless of size. This model pushes volume and speed, but it may discourage complex or high effort deals. Notice how behavior changes when reward stays constant. Tiered commission Tiered commission increases rates after reaching certain levels. This creates momentum. Effort increases as the next tier gets closer. Psychologically, this structure is powerful but must be designed carefully to avoid burnout or short term focus. What happens if tiers are too far apart? Poorly designed commission plans create confusion and frustration. If rules aren't clear, trust erodes. Complexity often looks smart on paper but fails in real execution. Simplicity usually wins. Next, we will look at how to evaluate a commission plan logically. Always ask three questions: what action triggers commission? How predictable payouts are? And what behaviors are rewarded? This framework works whether you are a student, freelancer, or a business owner. Which of these questions do you usually ignore? In many businesses, commission plans change how teams prioritize leads, follow-ups, and deal size. The lesson isn't the industry, is the incentive design. People optimize for what's rewarded. When incentives change, behavior changes, sometimes instantly. Freelancers may encounter commission through referrals or partnerships. These arrangements need clarity upfront to avoid disputes later. Commission isn't limited to sales jobs, it appears wherever results are shared. Would you prefer fixed fees or variable rewards? Understanding commission helps bridge theory and practice. It shows how compensation influences decisions in real organizations. This concept appears across business, accounting, and management contexts, which structure encourages long term relationships. Sales commission isn't just about payment, it's about incentives. The structure determines outcomes more than the rate itself. Once you see a commission is a design tool, not just compensation, everything clicks. One small design change can completely alter results. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.